I'm Dr. Rekkas, and I wanted to talk about a robotic sleeve gastrectomy. So, in a robotic sleeve gastrectomy, I'm using a robotic platform called the Intuitive Da Vinci system to actually go in and make a patient's stomach smaller. We do this using special tools, one called a Sureform stapler. So, what we actually do is permanently make the stomach smaller by reducing about 80% of it. What happens after that is you have a smaller stomach. When you eat food, you get full faster, and there's also different hormones that change. One important hormone called ghrelin, which is the body's main hunger hormone. So now, with a smaller stomach, patients feel restriction from surgery. They don't have the same appetite, they're not as hungry, and they don't have the same cravings. So with a great diet and exercise program, it's one of the best tools out there to help our patients fight obesity.